Nature is silent. It does not speak. We see that nature does not need a reason to exist. It does not need to justify itself with words and concepts. It simply is. In our civilization's almost Faustian bargain, we have traded our souls, our capacity to feel, for what basically amounts to just empty words and numbers on screens. What nature tells us is that this is unnecessary. This is a misapplication of energy. We must learn again to simply be, to speak less, to think less, to simply exist. This is God's command. This is nature's command.